The table shows the time in seconds it took 4 swimmers to complete a race. Which inequality correctly compares 2 of these race times? I'm going to start with writing bucks. We're going to bracket the question, which inequality correctly compares 2 of these race times? Then we're going to underline and circle important information. So we want an inequality. That means not equal. So it's not equal. None of these are equal. None of the answer choices show that anything is equal. So it's just a not equal comparison. We want something that is correctly comparing 2 of these race times. So we want a true statement. So A, I'm going to put a 4 square box here, and I'm going to put answer choice A here. I'm going to line these up by decimal point. So I have 26 and, does not want me to write a decimal, and 5/10, and then 26 and 0 and 5/100. So 26 and 5/100. Now when I look at these, the answer choice A tells me that 26 and 5/10 is greater than 26 and 5/100. So we're going to start at the left. They're both 2's, so we move next door. They're both equal 6's, so then we have 5 and 0. The 5 is greater than 0, so this is a true statement. So then I'm going to move to B. B has 26 and 15/100. 26 and 5/10. So we're just lining them up by decimal point to make it easier to compare. So B says that 26 and 15/100 is greater than 26 and 5/10. So let's check it out. We're going to start at the left at the 2's. Well, they're both equal to each other. They're the same number, so we move next door to the 6's. They're also both the same. So we move to the 10th place. We have 1 and 5. The 1 is less than 5, therefore B is a false statement. We do not want a false statement, we want a true statement. C, we have 26 and 1/10 and 26 and 5/100. We can put a 0 here to make sure that they are the same place value positions. So C says that 26 and 1/10 is less than 26 and 5/100. So we're going to start at the left at the 2's. Well, they're equal. Go next door to the 6's. They're the same. Go next door to the 10th place. We have a 1 and a 0. 1 is greater than 0, not less than 0. So C is a false statement. It is not true. D, we're going to go ahead and line D up. We have 26 and 15/100 and 26 and 1/10. We can put a 0 here to set the same place value positions. Answer choice D says that 26 and 15/100 is less than 26 and 1/10. So we're going to start at the left at the 2's. They're both the same. Go next door to 6. Again, they're the same. Go to the 10th place. Again, we also have the same number, 1. So we go to the 5 and the 0. 5 is greater than 0. Not less than. So F is also a false statement, so A is the correct answer.